As you can see, this account was restricted and I was able to appeal and reinstate it. So you can see it says advertising access reinstated. As you can see, ad account disabled. Well, when I refresh, you see that it has been reinstated. So I'm not going to show you exactly how I was able to reinstate this advertising account. So let's go into the details. So first of all, you go to the account quality, okay? You go to account quality or business support home. If you don't know account quality, you can go and type Facebook business support home. It will, and when you click on it, it will bring you to the business support home. The business support home was first called account quality, but it's now business support home. And you can see request review here. So we can request a review. But before we request the review, you see the request review, we will request the review. But before we do that, we have to make certain changes to the account. And what are those changes? You go to the settings of your account, go to settings, then you click on personal details. Then you go to your name. Then you see your first and last name. Make sure that you make changes if the changes are not done. Because if the ID you are going to use, whether it's your national ID, your passport, or your voter ID, if the name doesn't match with what is on the ID, they will reject it. So make sure it is matching. So after that, you save it. When you save it, you will now go back to your personal details and check your date of birth. If the date of birth is not correct, you make sure you edit it, then you change it to the correct one. After you do that, then you also save it. So when you save that, then you continue. So this one, I want to make a little change. Then I'll just save it, saving it. Okay, so confirm. Make sure you do extra checks to make sure everything is fine. So after you confirm that, then you go back to the business support home. You click on see details. It will bring you to the request review. Then you start the process, click on request review. So after you click on request review, it will ask you to start the process. Then you click on I am not a robot. You put your phone number. Okay, so they'll send you a 6-digit code. Then you put that 6-digit code there and then verify it. You click continue, upload your ID card. So you upload your ID, but you make sure that the ID is very clear enough to fit into the screen. Then you click continue, and click close. Then you wait after a few minutes. Okay, you go back to the account quality and see. When you go, you see that it will say you have requested a review. Then after some minutes, you come back and then about 5 minutes, come back and refresh it. You can see it is reinstated. Then any place where they had said that your account is restricted, when you refresh it, you see that it will be reinstated. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video for other more powerful videos. If you follow this procedure and you haven't got a solution to your problem, please don't hesitate to contact us for us to be able to look at your problem and then help you. You can follow the WhatsApp link and the Telegram link in the description to contact us for other more. We will be able to help you solve your problem, whatever problem you have that you couldn't solve. You can also leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you once again and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.